Now we will begin the fourth chapter. See, the third chapter talked about Karma Yoga. This fourth chapter, the topic of this fourth chapter is Jnana Karma Sannyasa Yoga. Let me see. Jnana Karma Sannyasa Yoga. In the previous chapter, Bhagavan had told about Karma Yoga. But the connection of this Karma Yoga with knowledge is revealed in this chapter. Because Karma Yoga should take us finally to that knowledge. So how from Karma Yoga we reach that stage of knowledge? Then also some more depth in Karma Yoga that Bhagavan just told about Niyata Karma, but he now tells about various types of upasanas also, which also becomes helpful and which also should be done with the attitude of Karma Yoga only. So various types of upasanas like japa, like pranayam, like fasting, like various types of these upasanas are also mentioned. Then again in this fourth chapter we have the beautiful description of famous shlokas where Bhagavan talks about his avatar. Yada yada hi dharmasya glanir bhavati bharata abhyutthanam dharmasya tadatmanam srajamyaham paritranaya sadhunam vinashaya cha dushkritam dharma sansthapanarthaya sambhavami yuge yuge. So the beautiful description of how Bhagavan takes avatar and why he takes avatar. And then finally also Bhagavan talks about the importance of knowledge, how we can gain this knowledge. Tad vidhi pranipatena pariprashnena sevaya. Approaching a master, you learn and gain this knowledge. So it's a very beautiful chapter. Lot of these fascinating topics are there, and we will learn. So we will just chant the first verse, and tomorrow we'll see more. Om Shri Paramatmane Namaha. Atha Chaturthodhyayah. Shri Bhagavan Uvacha. Imam Vivasvate Yogam Proktavanaham Avyayam Vivasvan Manave Praha Manurikshvakave Bravit Imam Vivasvate Yogam Proktavanaham Avyayam Manurikshvakave Bravit. See, after speaking in the second chapter and third chapter, giving the essence of the scriptures of the Vedas, Bhagavan now concludes in the first 3 verses of this fourth chapter. As far as Bhagavan is concerned, he thought that I have taught everything to Arjuna, so he just concludes. So he gives the parampara of this knowledge. So if you count these 3 verses of this fourth chapter and the 43 verses of the third chapter and 62 verses after Bhagavan begins his teaching, they all become 108 verses. So this 108 are like the mala which we have, in which we have 108 beats. So ये 108 वर्सेस की माला, श्लोकों की माला भगवान हैज़ गिवन अस, कि इससे आपका काम हो जाएगा. बिकॉज द वैदिक धर्म इज दिस टू फोल्ड ओनली, प्रवृत्ति धर्म एंड निवृत्ति धर्म. द प्रवृत्ति धर्म वॉज इंडिकेटेड एज कर्मयोग, निवृत्ति धर्म वॉज इंडिकेटेड एज ज्ञान योग, which will lead to prosperity, outer prosperity through karma yoga, and inner peace and enlightenment through jnana yoga. So the sar of Vedic knowledge was given in these two chapters. So Bhagwan, he thought, चलो अभी conclude कर लेते हैं. So he tells Arjuna that this knowledge which I have given you, I had given it to Vivasvan. Vivasvan with the Lord's son. The Lord's son, in the beginning of this kalpa, or in the middle of this kalpa, I gave this knowledge to Lord's son. Then the Lord's son gave it to Manu, his son. Manu. And Manu gave it to his son Ikshvaku. See, we have these two famous lineage called the Solar Dynasty and the Lunar Dynasty. Surya Vamsha and Chandra Vamsha. Our Ramchandra ji was born in Surya Vamsha. Bhagwan Krishna was born in Chandra Vamsha. So the Adi Purush of Surya Vamsha is Surya Dev only. The deity who is behind this Surya, which we can see, that is just a body, but the deity called Surya. So he is the Adi Purusha, and from him he was born Manu. We have heard about Manu Smriti and all. And then Manu's 10 children were there. The eldest was Ikshvaku. So Manu gave this knowledge to Ikshvaku. And in this way, through parampara, this knowledge has come down to us. So he tells this to Arjuna. And Arjuna, he listens, but he then, after listening, he has a doubt. That you say you gave this knowledge to the Lord's son. No, Lord's son was born much before. And you are born now. How come you gave this knowledge to him? This is Ullu bana rahe. He didn't say like that, but almost. So, then as a reply to him, then Bhagwan continues. He tells about his avatar, and then he tells about various other sadhana. We will see more tomorrow. पूर्णस्य पूर्णमादाय पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः हरिः ॐ श्रीगुरुभ्यो नमः हरिः ॐ